Hi guys, Dr. Marvin here. Just wanted to give you a quick little video on some of the stuff that we kind of ran out of time for this morning in class. So just a quick synopsis of where we're at. So the last piece that we needed to look at for our construction company this morning was the balances in raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. Those three different aspects of our inventory, even in a job costing system. So remember that raw materials is going to really be broken up of beginning balances. Okay. We're going to add to that purchases, right? And purchases, and then placed in process. So that's going to give us our ending materials balance, right? So we're going to start off with what we had as we began the month of September. We're going to add in our purchases, so the purchases that we made during the month of September, and then we're going to subtract off those materials that went in process. Again, as we worked through those different layers, what happened in August versus September, where we accumulated to, okay? What we're subtracting off there as placed in process is just the piece of the direct materials that went in process in September. Okay, that's the layer we're looking at. So we want that September layer for our three jobs into process. Okay, that's going to be deducted out of our materials in our warehouse, right? Because now it's sitting in that job wherever it is that we're working on that job. Okay, because we're a job shop now, what we're looking at in work in process is just the accumulated cost, the total cost of all the layers for any job that's not done, any job that's started but not done. We don't care about when it started. All we care about is the total accumulated, so all the layers of all the months for any job that's started but not done. We don't care if it started in September. We don't care if it started in March. Okay, what we're concerned about is how much is captured, accumulated in all those layers and still in process. Okay, finished goods, on the other hand, is the same idea but just a different category, right? So the grand total of all the costs of all the jobs that are done but not sold, right? We worked through that gross profit calculation in class, and that was related to the job or jobs that was done and sold. Okay, so now we're saying done but not sold. Okay, so take a look at that, and hopefully it works well through there for the assignment. Any questions you have whatsoever as you're working on this, shoot me an email, give me a call, give me a text, stop by my office here. Have a great day, and we'll see you on Wednesday.